We're going to begin by doing something very similar to how you might do it in PowerPoint, and that's where I'm just going to simply have it so that if you click you get something saying the right answer, and if you click it and it's not, you get something that says the wrong answer. So just in the same way as you might hyperlink it to a slide that says correct, or hyperlink it to a slide that says incorrect. So first of all, just going to design it. I've already downloaded some pictures, so we're going to have some questions on the Olympics. So let's put that. So this is just designing it here. So let's first of all got an image of Mo Farah, and let's just see. So let's go there. So there we are. Now, so here we can just have a insert text box where we're going to write the question. Yep. So here we have name this famous 2012 character. Yep. So that's what we're asking people to do. So we can have text box here, and it says Mo Farah. Let's just get this text box sorted. So I want it to be so that when you actually go to user and it says click cursor here, so that actually is changing it. It's what we did before, it just does it automatically. So we know that we're going to click into it, and that what we're going to have is when we click in it, it will show something else and maybe play a sound. So let's just see. I've actually already got some sounds that I've downloaded, so let's just have it so it does that. Click, multimedia, sound, find the sound. Let's hope I can find it. I thought I'd saved it in it. Yeah, kids cheering. So now that is going to play if you click in it. So I've got Mo Farah, and I'm just going to Control C and Control V, get another one, and in that one I'm going to call it Ethel Smith, so that we now have it, so that if I go to events and change it, because obviously it isn't Ethel Smith, so we've got the Boo Hiss one coming along, and so now I've got those two in place. I can now go up here, review, run the page, and let's see if it works. If I click on that, okay, and if I click on that, so that's done. We do need to do a bit more. We can have, for example, if I insert here another piece of text and it says correct. Now if I press F3, that will hide that. If I go into this, events, if I click on it, I'm also going to play the kids cheering, and I'm going to show that text box that was, and this is where it becomes really useful to name your text boxes. We know it's the last one, so it was text 3, but still, it's much better if you name them. And so that will now appear, and I'm going to actually change this now, because that is, I'm going to rename that so that that is correct answer. Nobody sees this, but it's just so much easier. That one, Ethel Smith, is wrong answer. So I just got it a little bit easier. And this is the question text. Rename question text. You can't use a space, so you just do question text without any spaces. Now, also it probably makes sense to now start thinking a little bit about the design here, so you maybe change the font there, bold this up. But let's just see before we do that if it actually does work. Go to review, run the page, click on this, and click on that, and you can see that the correct comes up. So we got that taken care of.